Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off Samsung keyboard sound on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in here we scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. Then go down and tap on system sound. Next, tap on Samsung keyboard. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And then tap on the back key to go back to your settings page, or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now you can see that if I now go and open up my notepad, and when I tap on the keyboard, it plays a sound. If I go into settings and switch it off, so we go down to sounds and vibration, then tap on system sound, and then turn off Samsung keyboard. Now this time if I type on the keyboard, it will not play any more sound. And that's it. That is how you can switch it on or off on the Galaxy S23 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.